I didn't think my kids would care so much about this dessert. But on my kid's birthday, we visited a Thai restaurant and ordered mango sticky rice. And honestly, I was surprised. टेबल पर इतनी सारी चीजें थी, but this simple mango dessert became the one they remembered the most. So today, I recreated that sweet restaurant memory at home. For this, I used Thai sticky rice and washed it a few times until the water looked almost clear. Restaurant में rice का color pretty green सा था. So I gave mine a little twist with the dried butterfly pea flower for the natural blue color. I soaked the rice in that blue water for the few hours and look at that color. So beautiful, right? Then I steamed the rice for about 30 minutes for that authentic soft and chewy texture. After 15 minutes, I gently flipped the rice so it cooked evenly from all sides. While the rice was steaming, I made the coconut sauce with full fat coconut milk, sugar and a little salt. And trust me, that little salt is important. ये sweetness को balance करता है और coconut flavor को और rich बना देता है. If you have pandan leaves, you can add them here for that beautiful aroma. मेरे पास आज नहीं था, so I skipped it. बस एक thing याद रखना, flame को low रखना है, coconut milk को hard boil नहीं करना, वरना split हो सकता है. Once the rice was hot and fully cooked, I added the warm coconut sauce in 2 batches. First, I added most of the sauce, mixed it gently, covered it and let it rest. After the rice absorbed that sauce, I added the remaining coconut sauce and covered it again. This 25 to 30 minute resting time is very important because this is where the rice slowly absorbs all the creamy coconut flavor. For the top drizzle, I made a slightly thicker coconut sauce with the coconut milk, sugar, salt and added a cornstarch slurry and cook it on the low flame until it becomes smooth and pourable, not too thick. Now slice sweet ripe mangoes because mango is the real hero here. And after 30 minutes of resting, look at the rice. It absorbed all that warm coconut sauce and became glossy, soft and full of flavor. For plating, I used a heart-shaped mold to make it look extra cute, but the regular small bowl works perfectly too. Then I added mango slice, thick coconut drizzle on the top and finished with toasted white and black sesame seeds for that little nutty crunch. Full recipe with measurement मैंने description में add कर दी है. Save this for mango season because now we can make this fancy restaurant style mango sticky rice at home. Would your kids try this blue mango sticky rice?